Okay, what I'm going to do now, guys, is just finish some of this paint that is on the table, because I'd really just like a few of these squishy squashies. Let me see if I can make it. I need a little bit more of the dark color. There it is. And I need some white because I want to swipe it. Not so interesting, but we'll keep it. It's the thing that I've almost run out of white with the silicone in it. So I'll just have to make a little bit more. And make it really thin. I'm going to try that. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty thin. But maybe a little thinner. Okay, then we're going to add some of this silicone. Just make it nice and smooth. Okay. So we're going to put in some of this color. Now let's pour it on top first. That's it. Then we're going to put some color in the middle. Ooh, there's some little goobers going on here. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, I'm picking up paint. See that? The paint that was on the plastic is letting go. That's kind of depressing. Getting all those bubbles in there. I'm just checking out if it's doing anything really pretty all by itself, which I don't think it is. Putting a little green in there. Cleaning off the palette knife. And let's give it a little squashy. Okay, that's a nice piece. I think I'm gonna be putting all these squishy things all on the door, the inside of the toilet door here in my studio. I think that would be really cool. Yeah, we'll keep this one. And then I'm pretty much done with these colors, guys, because well, it's time to go to a different color look. Let's keep that out. We'll keep this one. Just because the colors are so pretty. And then one last one I'm going to try, and we're going to cover that with a little bit of that glitter stuff. So we're going to put the last paint on the table. Put in a little bit of that darker color because I like it. And the light blue, splotch, splotch. And I want a little bit bigger paper. This one's a little bit bigger. Let's see. Okay, that's really nice. Putting the glitter on, and I have to torch really fast. That is a nice one, and it has all these nice little glitter stuff on it. Look at that. That looks pretty. I think I can get a couple of pendants out of this one. This is really pretty. Okay. So one more, a small one, because I got this paint here doing its thing. And we'll pull it off like that. Ooh, gotta cover that a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is it for this weekend, guys. Maybe I'll be back tomorrow, maybe not, I'm not sure. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Love you all to pieces as usual. And hou voor jullie allemaal, liebe euch alle wie immer. And see you in the next video. Later.